over 65 soldiers have been captured and tortured on allegations of plotting a military coup. Zarabida mashiko budanyi papango ino. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timina unamu budanyi kwa mchinzi. The several soldiers have been arrested in an operation allegedly led by Major Albert Tizwa, presidential guard, who is accused of plotting to attack Vice President Constantine Chiwenga. The soldiers are accused of distributing a pile of flyers across various barracks. The documents were stashed at 1 Commando Cabrit Barracks, Manyame Air Base, 2 Brigade, Presidential Guard PG, ZVAITWA, and the Army Headquarters. There is an officer called Albert Tizwa, military intelligence officer under Harare stationed in the Presidential Guard, who is being accused of leading officers to conduct the torture operation. The captured soldiers were recently given a salary increment of 300 ZiG with no US dollar component. Major General Kudumba, Deputy ZNA Commander, was summoned by the President over the matter of the leaflets. ZNA Commander General Walter PANE is currently on leave. Major meetings were held at ZDF House and investigations are currently underway. The arrest of the 65 soldiers comes at a time when the controversial journalist Ogoch Bono has published a post announcing a belief in an imminent coup. His post was similar to the one he published on 28 March 2025 claiming that 6 soldiers aligned to the elect Blessed Gaza had deserted their barracks armed with guns. Tizwa is tormenting his fellow soldiers because he has direct conflict of interest in collaboration with the Shkanandas Clatons, a source tells ZVAITWA. He was also recently accused of commanding the torture of Lafmo Maduko and some of his team members. In May last year, he was also named in the kidnapping of citizen petitioner to the military, Clifford Gongwe's mother. Tizwa did not respond to requests for comment. The Presidential Guard had not commented at the time of writing. Toba developments are kuda pangwa ina. Pina comment section medu zofungura imo tukuli kwa msulubi chitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, point on the bell icon.